Hi, this is Shankar. I'm teaching mathematics. This video is useful for primary and upper primary class students. Today my topic is perfect number definition. I'm going to convey the perfect number definition. Here, if all the factors of a number, suppose I'm taking to one number, all the factors of a number except the number itself, add up to the original number, then it is called as a perfect number. I'm going to explain clearly. For example, I'm taking one number, 6 is a one number. Here all the factors of a number, this number all factors 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 6. Here except the number itself, means this number itself I am taking away. Here the rest of the factors 1 comma 2 comma 3, we can add each term 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. So same original number came. This number is called as a perfect number. So another definition, if the sum of all the factors of a number, that number is 2 times the number, means double the number, then the number is called as a perfect number. The number is called as a perfect number. Yes, suppose I am taking to 6. I am writing factors 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 6. Here all the numbers or all the factors we are adding, this result is double this number, then 6 is called as a perfect number. One more example I am going to explain here. Suppose 28 is one number. Factors I am going to write 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 7 comma 14 comma 28. This is the factors of 28. Here except this number, here the rest of the terms I am going to add 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14 here, 14. Exclude this 28 itself. I am going to accept the number itself, means itself number I am taking outside. Here the rest of the numbers, each term I am adding. Here 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 14 28. The same number here replica. These numbers is called as a perfect number. Suppose here 3 is a perfect number or not, we are going to check. 3 is a perfect number or not, we are going to check it. Here what is the factors of 3? 1 comma 3. Here 1 comma 3 means 3 except here. The rest of the term is 1. So 1 does not equal to 3, does not equal to 1. That's why it is not a perfect number. 2 is a perfect number or not. Here 2 factors I am going to write here. 1 comma 2 is the factors of 2. Here except means take outside. Here the rest of the factor is 1 only. 2 does not equal to 1. There is no original number here. It is not appearing original number. Then it is called as then it is not a perfect number. Here suppose 5 is a perfect number or not. What is the factors of 5? 1 comma 5. What is except I am taking? Here the rest of the 1, the 5 does not equal to 1. This is not a perfect number. So only 50 below, 1 to 50 below perfect numbers, 6 comma 28 only. 2 numbers only. Thank you.